The Model TA is a conveyor belt alignment switch. These switches are designed to be used in pairs directly across from each other. We recommend a pair near the head pulley and a pair near the tail pulley. If a belt is drifting off track, it will make contact with the roller arm of the switch, activating the micro switch in the unit. This will then alert personnel or shut down the conveyor and prevent costly downtime and damage. The belt alignment controls for our conveyor monitoring system is the Model TA2. These switches are designed to be used in pairs right across from each other. You can install them by putting 2 at the tail pulley and 2 at the head pulley, or if you have a longer conveyor, we recommend every 200 feet. The way these switches are designed is if your belt is off tracking, it'll actually make contact with this roller and activate the micro switch. Inside the Model TA2, we have 2 single pole double throw micro switches with 2 adjustable cams. Those cams can be set at 2 independent points. So for example, if I wanted to know if my belt was drifting slightly, I could set an alarm. And then for further drift, I want to shut down the system. My second set point would be set to do is that. All of our conveyor safety system switches are American made, in stock, and ready to ship to you now.